Hello. Today I'm in the small town of Lowry, which is pretty close to where I live. They got a car show here with some tractors and motorcycles and quite a turnout really for a small town. Let's take a walk around and see what we can find. Here's a nice old Ford. This is, I believe, my cousin's truck. There he is. Nice job they did on that one. He restored it himself. There's a nice car too. There's some, well, you go to a show, there's gonna be nice cars. You know, that's all there is to it. They're all nice in their own specific way. There's a big block in there.
It'll be fine.
Does that thing got a 2-speed axle? Look like a little thing on the shifter there. What year is this? 46. Chevy 1-ton. Here's a nice car, 60 Impala. Got a little bit newer engine, a 350, but that's okay. You know, sometimes it's just... Here's a dork's car with his rubber ducky. Trucks, even some motorcycles. They got Lowry days, they got bingo, and there's a ribfest where you go buy tickets and stop at all the different rib establishments and then vote for the one you like the best. That color I think would be, would that be a peach? Not sure. It's a Nomad though, nice looking Nomad. Veteran motorcycle.
Right on your front teeth.
Here's the old Corvair. 63.5 Ford. Galaxy. '32 Ford. I wish I had more money than I knew what to do with. I'd have so many cars and trucks and motorcycles, and probably some tractors. Challenger with a 383. This, I'm not a yellow fan, but that's a pretty yellow. Yellow and black. Here's Mike's old Coronet. Jim's pickup. Nice 56. '49 Chevy. Studebaker. Karen's car. Gary's Mercury. Ford. Sorry.
30 seconds for non-person.
I was in control of our firm.
Yeah, you were in control of our circumstance.
Another yellow car. Another Tri-5. And a Nova, Chevy 2 Nova.
You really think so? I said, yeah. So, okay, so we
Here's Mike's Ford,
little tilt trailer.
president of ECC,
Can we run it down the road?
Vintage
No,
Car
no,
Club.
No, I'm not gonna sell it to you. Don't put the winch on it. So I says, man, I said, you gotta make up your mind about that time. He's way
427, wow.
Put it on the trailer.
Yeah.
So evidently it was a bad. Dad's truck. We get sentimental. And that's original. Yeah, open that door up and look in there, man.
Huh.
Isn't that something? Oh yeah, I mean,
Super 10. Ooh, nice Riviera. A lot of these you've probably seen before in my other videos, or maybe some pictures on Minnesota Motorhead's Facebook page, because they're all from the area. All three of these from not too far away. Sac Center, Glenwood, Redwood Falls. Guess I might as well do this one. A little part of a row here. '62 Cadillac. Super H. Had an uncle had one of these. Might have been just a regular H, but regardless. It'd be nice if they could open the hood, but I think the way with that stack is like there, they ain't, it has to be lifted straight off.
Yeah.
That's just my thought anyway. Definitely a puller. National Tractor Pullers Association. Haha. Is this a Tempest? '62 Tempest, maybe? It says V326. Look at here. David Motors. Grey Eagle. One of the sponsors of the Mid-Minnesota Motorheads. Show off your bobbers. Ford Power. This is a 49 Dodge. Put a Ford motor in it. Yeah. Whatever works. Roadrunner. Gasaholic Motor Club.
You can't do a lot of it yourself. You're spending a lot of money. And then if you're going that route, well then you might as well just buy one that's already done and you know what you got when you bought it. Well, and when you start putting money in it, you'll never see it.
That must be in the 50s. I don't see the thing on it.
I bet it is.
Yeah.
You know, they give me $5,000 and I do
Nice looking Chevelle there. Ooh, Catalina convertible. Must be 66, 65. Let's see here. If I can tell from the back. I think it's 65. That's my guess. I've been known to be wrong a time or 100. Let me walk back up here and pick up where I left off and catch that last row. Excuse me. I might have already done this row. Not that it matters. Yeah, I think I did. But that's okay. Oh, I know what I can do.
I'm gonna recheck all my tops. Look at this guy's live stream.
Woot, 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 woot.
You said you need
The registration ladies. How many? What was the grand total of numbers registered?
About 76.
76.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
He's videotaping you. while
Yeah.
you answer.
It'll be on YouTube later.
Oh no.
Thanks for watching. Bye.